welcome fisher folk. Today we got a really exciting video. By the time this comes out, I'll know whether or not I'm offering this river as a guided trip. I think likely yes, so probably you can hit me up about this. I got my friends Mac and Matt.
What up, Soul Train Army? We're
gonna do some whitewater rafting and fishing. I finally got the boat fully rigged out for the first time with the floors and everything strapped down all nice. We're gonna have a pretty sweet adventure. Let's get into it. Beautiful. Give it a little more line so it's dragging less. Yeah. It's fishable, it's fishable. Set, set, set. Good job. Oh, now you got a fish. Oh, you got two fish. Matt, that requires the net. Here, Matt.
That's two.
Ah, one's gone. Camera, I hope you guys got to see that. That was pretty cool. The self double up right there. I fish a 2-fly setup, so what you just saw in that clip is that Matt had a fish hooked on each of the flies, so 2 fish at the same time. Here we go. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw, brothers!
Oh. Woo! Nice, good stuff, Matt. Okay. In this rapid, you're about to see me challenge myself. There is some real sweet fishable water on the right, about 2/3 the way down. But it's pretty difficult to pull a raft out of a current this heavy and get stopped in such a narrow space. So the goal was to dart into a tiny eddy, basically a little sheltered water, as we ripped past and see if we could make some fishing happen.
That's a big one.
Okay, cast back up into this water above us right here. Yeah. Bump. Yeah, all this stuff in front of us. It's all fish as well for a ways. Set, 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 set. There you go. Don't grab the rod up there. You just need to give yourself more line to work with. Because if you grab a rod that high up, they'll snap. If you want to bring him around to me, I can net him.
Sorry. What does it mean when you say get it throw him on? What am I supposed to do?
Like, you see how much line, like, you never want the fly line to come inside the rod tip, even when you're landing a fish. Like, here, actually, pass it to me. Here, let me show you. Here, you want to grab the line right here. So now all the other line is just doing its thing.
Okay.
And you want to grab it right here, right above the fish. And now I have him.
Nice.
Quick look for the camera.
Oh, okay. That was a little better.
Good stuff. So yeah, you want to be able to grab them either right here if they're on that hook, or right here if they're...
I got it.
Yeah. Woohoo! Oh. Everyone hold on tight.
like, oh God. Wait. Here we go for some more. Yeehaw. Land ho! Land ho, that's what they say. Fall out, hold on to the rod.
I'm holding. Oh no.
Oh. Let's go. Okay, now press that red button on top again.
You tell them developers I ain't interested. Whoa!
Good job, guys.
Easy.
Easy peasy. What's up? Well, what if we did? Pull it towards us ever so slightly. Yeah, nice.
You have like a time in mind for us?
Set. No, I don't really.
Were you planning on letting us eat?
Of course.
As long
Fish on
as can we also swim when we eat?
it. Yeah, I have to think of a good place for us to eat.
Yeah, okay.
Nice, good job, Matt.
Super soon, but it would be nice. You
Okay.
want Matt?
I got it.
Hell yeah, brother. Don't squeeze him hard.
All right. Just let it go.
Yeah. Good job.
All me.
Nice.
Got it?
Got it. Okay, get back in there. I still think there's the big fish here. Or at least the top possibility for it. Just right along this whole edge. Yeah, nice. Yeehaw! Boom! Woo! Woo!
Is that the one you fly bunking on, or is that a different
I don't know. It's a beautiful day, folks. We got our sandwiches. Hold up your sandwich. Pulled over at a beautiful lunch spot. We'll go swimming next. Soon, not quite next.
What's not to love? I mean, you guys watching this, you like have jobs, you work, quit your job, leave your family, the river is your home. This is perfect.
Leave your family. Get on that river life. I don't condone that. Don't leave your family.
Sold by an army knows what's up. River life is nothing.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
You can do whatever you want in the river.
Yeah, you could talk with your mouth full on the river. That's a fact.
Not the problem.
Stop!
Some people don't know what to do when the camera's on them. I know how
I
to
don't
perform.
know what
It's
to
true.
do.
Mac was in one of my original videos, mushroom foraging with Mac.
Yeah, that was me. I'll
Alright.
admit it.
I rewatched our jam one. That is the best one. You guys, that has 60 views. It's the best one. It's called Jam Making with the Homies or something. It's like a snowstorm and we make jam and hang out.
It's fun. I don't know if it's the best one.
There's no fishing in it if that's what they're into.
Okay, I'm cutting this clip short. Little fish. Only small ones today. Nice. Set. That's a bigger fish. Give me the net. Whoops.
Get it.
Here, I got the net right here. Sick, dude. There we go. Nice. Good stuff.
They call that a net buster.
Yeah, that's at least a 40 pounder.
A 40 pounder. A net buster. Wow. Just the bigness of this fish increases.
Not even hooked anymore.
Okay, back in the river. Beautiful. It's a good one. Alrighty guys, this is our cliff jumping spot. We got a variety of different little platforms you can jump from.
Platform.
Yeah, right here. So down there is the low ones.
Ooh, scary.
Right here where I'm at. This is the typical tall one that we let clients do. But I'm gonna go push it a little further here.
Oh my god, fishy. Oh, goodbye.
I don't let clients do this one, but I let me do it. Nice, good long jump here. Okay guys, here we go. You guys ready? Am I ready? I'm ready. Woo! Woo! I don't think he can do it. I think he's too scared.
Oh yeah? Might have gone to something.
Yeah? Do it, you won't.
2, 1. 2, 1. Go.
I'm coming down.
Okay, Matt, go down deep for us. That is bananas. I hope you guys can see that. He's just descending into the fucking abyss. Wow.
I don't know how exciting that was for your viewers, but
I was excited.
it was nice for me.
There he goes again. Matt promised that he would jump in front of this guy right here, so it's just about the moment of truth.
Can you watch me? Are you watching?
Yeah, he's obviously watching.
Okay, watch this.
Woo! Good job, brother.
Did he see?
Yeah, Matt, he did. Matt's like
Okay.
dying.
I feel
Go, Mac.
Oh, it's not that. It's not that bad. Let's go. Oh, how do I get up?
Get closer to the boat, it's easier. If you go all the way to the other side of the boat, it's even easier. But it's big current out there. Matt, you are ass at swimming. I did not realize.
It's so cool.
Oh. That made me scared.
Good work, Mac.
Oh no.
He's struggling. He's almost there. He's 80% out. 95. That's 100%.
I did it.
Oh shit, Mac's drowning. Nope, he's back.
Like the man said, it's rock and roll, not jazz. I'm repeating your words of wisdom. Oh, we're going through that. We're threading this needle.
Yellowstone!
Rock and roll, not jazz.
Good job, guys! Woo! Woo! Good stuff! You got thrown around a little bit back there, Matt? Woo! I love that shout, Nat. You're like, oh! Uh-oh. Going for a spin. Now we're going backwards through it. Oh, shoot. Good job, guys. That's why you don't take a hard-sided boat down this river.
What?
So that's why you don't take a hard-sided boat down this river, ever. Because you're gonna hit rocks. It's pretty much unavoidable.
That was like in Cars when he like gets hit, but then he like goes backwards and he's like faster than them all, even backwards.
Yeah, it was like that. Get in behind that big rock. Well, folks, good ass day on the river. What do you two have to say for yourselves? He was just in the river.
Yeah, you're
It's
wet.
awesome in there.
Couldn't have asked for a better day. I love our state. I love this country, and I love fishing.
Wow.
That's the truth.
We got a patriot over here.
And we have walkie-talkies.
And we have the walkie-talkies for the drive back. That's gonna be a ball. Well, I love the river too. Caught a lot of fish. I'm a fishing guide. Hit me up. Otherwise, like, comment, especially subscribe.
I did not pay for this. This was just a friend.
I mean, I was just here so that they would have a second car.
That's true.
What's up?
And I'll catch y'all in the next video.